everybody. Today we're going to be opening one of my Christmas presents. It's going to be called Cookeez Makery Freezy Fridge. We can get any of these three, but I want this one, the polar bear. So look what it says over here. Mix your ingredients, make or decorate, chill in the fridge, receive your surprise pet, shivered and scented, interact with your plushie. Let me get it out of the box. Ta-da! It's out of the box. Look at this fridge. It's actually really a fridge. Let's actually open this and take a look. Ta-da! Look what's inside. Now let's take out this stuff. Okay, let's see what's in the box. I got some frosting for our cake. We got a measuring cup with a snowflake on it. We got a spoon so we can mix, and we got something so we can make our little friend. And here is our instructions. Step 1, we gotta open this up. We gotta add water and mix. Now let's use my hands and do it. And roll it into a ball. And put it in this mold. And fill it in the whole space. Second step, I get to open this. And I found extra over here. This kind of feels like slime though, but I gotta put it on. Ta-da! This is what I made. Now let's put it in the fridge. Careful. And bake it. It's time. I can hear the fridge shaking. I hope it's the polar bear I wanted. 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, this is who I wanted. I got this minty polar bear. Isn't she cute? She makes sounds too. Yay. This is what I got from my Cookeez fridge. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching my awesome video. Please click like and subscribe. Goodbye.